Top 4 best snacks you must eat to flush out toxins and save your kidneys. If you are eating these snacks every day, you might be slowly hurting your kidneys, and you do not even know it. Most people think kidney problems only happen when you're old or already sick. That is not true. Your kidneys are working 24 hours a day, filtering waste, cleaning your blood, and keeping your body alive. But the wrong snacks can overload them, stress them out, and make them weaker over time. Here's the scary part. Some of the most normal snacks sitting in your kitchen right now could be making your body hold on to toxins instead of flushing them out. And the worst thing, you probably think they are harmless. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 4 best snacks you must eat to help flush out toxins and protect your kidneys. These are simple, easy to find foods, no expensive supplements, no crazy diet plans, just real snacks that support your body the right way. Because the truth is, kidney damage does not usually hurt at first. There's no loud warning, no big sign. It happens quietly. And by the time most people notice something is wrong, the damage is already serious. But here's the good news. Your kidneys are strong. They can recover and work better if you give them the right support. And small changes, like swapping your daily snacks, can make a bigger difference than you think. Stay until the end, because snack number 3 is one most people never connect to kidney health. And it could be the most important one on this list. Let us get started. Snack number 1 is something you probably already love. Air-popped popcorn. Now before you think, popcorn is junk food, I need you to hear this carefully, because air-popped popcorn and the buttery microwave kind are completely different things. And the difference matters enormously for your kidneys. Here is why air-popped popcorn is so powerful for kidney health. Your kidneys are extremely sensitive to 3 things: high blood pressure, unstable blood sugar, and excess animal protein. Air-popped popcorn addresses all 3 in one simple snack. First, air-popped popcorn is a whole grain. Whole grains are digested slowly, which means they do not spike your blood sugar the way refined snacks do. Stable blood sugar means less strain on your kidneys every single day. A study published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology confirmed that stable blood sugar levels directly reduce the rate of kidney function decline in adults. Second, air-popped popcorn is naturally very low in sodium, and sodium is one of the biggest enemies of kidney health. When your sodium intake is high, your kidneys have to work overtime to filter it out. Over time, this extra workload raises blood pressure and damages the tiny filtering units inside your kidneys called nephrons. Third, popcorn is a plant-based snack. It contains no animal protein, and research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that replacing animal protein snacks with plant-based alternatives significantly reduced kidney stress markers in adults over 50. Here is exactly how to prepare it the right way. Use an air popper machine, or a plain paper bag in the microwave with no added butter or oil. Once it is popped, you can add a light sprinkle of herbs, like rosemary or oregano, for flavor without the sodium. No salt, no butter, no cheese flavoring. Those additions turn a kidney-friendly snack into a kidney-damaging one. A small bowl of plain air-popped popcorn, 2 to 3 times per week, is a genuinely smart choice for anyone who wants to protect their kidneys naturally. Tell me in the comments, are you a popcorn lover? Have you ever tried it plain without butter or salt? I read every single comment, and I would genuinely love to know. Snack number 2 might surprise you. It is hummus. Now, I know hummus might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about kidney health, but the research behind this creamy, plant-based dip is genuinely impressive. And once you understand what it does inside your body, you will think about it very differently. Here's what makes hummus so valuable for your kidneys. Hummus is made primarily from chickpeas, and chickpeas are one of the most kidney-friendly protein sources that exist. Here's why that matters so much. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering protein waste from your blood. When you eat animal protein, like meat, cheese, or eggs, your body produces a large amount of a waste product called urea. Your kidneys must filter all of that urea out, day after day, meal after meal, snack after snack, over time. This creates a condition called hyperfiltration, so where your kidneys are working so hard, that the filtration membranes begin to break down. Chickpeas provide plant-based protein, which produces significantly less urea than animal protein. This means your kidneys get the benefit of protein in your diet, without the heavy filtration burden. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults who replaced animal protein snacks with plant-based protein sources, including legumes like chickpeas, showed measurably improved kidney function markers over a 12-week period. Hummus also contains tahini, which is made from sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in kidney tissue. And since chronic inflammation is one of the leading drivers of kidney decline after 50, This is a meaningful benefit. Here is how to enjoy it the right way. Choose plain, unsalted hummus. Check the label carefully. Some store-bought versions are extremely high in sodium, which cancels out the kidney benefits entirely. Pair it with fresh vegetables, cucumber slices, carrot sticks, or celery. All of these are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them ideal kidney-friendly dippers. Avoid pairing hummus with salted crackers or chips. The sodium in those will undo everything the hummus is doing for your kidneys. 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain hummus with fresh vegetables, 3 to 4 times per week, is a snack combination your kidneys will genuinely thank you for. Before we move to snack number 3, if this video is helping you see everyday foods differently, please take 2 seconds and hit that subscribe button. We share research-based health information every single week for people who want to protect their health naturally. It is completely free, and it means you will never miss something this important again. Snack number 3 is the one I mentioned at the beginning, the one most people never connect to kidney health, and honestly, the one that surprises people the most when they hear it. The snack is oatmeal cookies. Now I know what you're thinking. Cookies are bad for you. How can a cookie be good for my kidneys? And you are right to question that. Most cookies are terrible for kidney health. They are full of refined sugar, artificial flavors, excess sodium, and processed fats. That kind of cookie is a kidney-damaging snack. But a homemade oatmeal cookie, made with the right ingredients, is a completely different story. And the science behind oats, specifically for kidney health, is genuinely compelling. Here's what oats do inside your kidneys. Oats contain a specific type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan does something remarkable in your digestive system. It forms a thick gel that slows the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream. This keeps your blood sugar stable after eating. And as we discussed earlier, stable blood sugar is one of the most important factors in protecting kidney function over the long term. But beta-glucan does something else that most people do not know about. It binds to cholesterol in your digestive tract and helps remove it from your body before it enters your bloodstream. Lower cholesterol means lower cardiovascular strain, and since kidney health and heart health are deeply connected, anything that protects your heart also protects your kidneys. A study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that adults with early-stage kidney disease who consumed oats regularly showed significantly lower levels of inflammatory markers compared to those who did not. Lower inflammation means slower kidney decline. That is a meaningful finding. Here's exactly how to make a kidney-friendly oatmeal cookie. Use rolled oats as your base. Add a mashed ripe banana for natural sweetness. Instead of refined sugar, add a small amount of cinnamon, which has its own anti-inflammatory properties, and a handful of unsalted walnuts if you enjoy them. For healthy omega-3 fats. No added salt, no butter, no white sugar, no chocolate chips with added dairy. Bake at a low temperature until firm. 2 to 3 small cookies. 2 to 3 times per week. Give your kidneys the benefit of oats, without any of the ingredients that would harm them. And now, snack number 4. This one is the most underestimated and the most overlooked on this entire list because it looks too simple, too plain, too boring to possibly make a difference. The snack is puffed rice cakes, and I want to explain exactly why this humble, simple snack is one of the most genuinely kidney-friendly things you can eat regularly. Here's the key concept I need you to understand. Your kidneys have a maximum workload they can handle. Think of it like a factory with a daily production limit. When you eat snacks that are high in sodium, high in phosphorus, high in potassium, or high in animal protein, you are sending more work to that factory than it can handle. The more overload they face, the harder they have to work. And the harder they work, the faster they wear down. Puffed rice cakes are one of the very few snack foods that put almost zero extra burden on your kidneys. They are extremely low in sodium, naturally low in phosphorus, and low in potassium, and contain no animal protein. For kidneys that are already working hard every single day, a snack that asks nothing extra of them is genuinely valuable. The National Kidney Foundation specifically lists puffed rice as a recommended snack for people managing kidney health because it satisfies the need for something crunchy and filling without adding any of the substances that kidneys struggle to process. A review published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition confirmed that low phosphorus, low potassium snack choices, like puffed rice, are associated with better long-term kidney function outcomes in adults with early to moderate kidney disease. Here is how to enjoy puffed rice cakes the right way. Choose plain, unsalted puffed rice cakes, not the flavored versions, which often contain hidden sodium, artificial flavorings, and phosphate additives. Top them with a thin spread of plain hummus, which we already discussed, or a few slices of fresh cucumber, or a small amount of unsalted almond butter for healthy fats. Avoid topping them with cheese, deli meat, or any salted spread. Those additions turn a kidney-friendly snack into a kidney-stressing one. 2 to 3 plain puffed rice cakes as an afternoon snack. 4 to 5 times per week. Give your kidneys exactly what they need most. A break. A moment of low workload. In an otherwise demanding day. Your kidneys work without stopping. Every hour of every day. The least we can do is give them a snack that does not make their job harder. Now, let me bring all 4 snacks together into a simple weekly routine you can start tomorrow. Morning snack, a small bowl of plain air popped popcorn. No salt, no butter. Afternoon snack, plain puffed rice cakes with a thin spread of unsalted hummus and fresh cucumber slices. Evening snack, 2 to 3 homemade oatmeal cookies made with banana, oats, and cinnamon. And hummus with fresh vegetables anytime you need something filling between meals. 4 snacks, 1 simple routine. Your kidneys will feel the difference. If this video helped you today, please share it with someone you care about. A family member, a close friend, someone who snacks every day without realizing the impact on their kidneys. You could genuinely help protect someone's kidney health today just by sharing this video. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 4 snacks are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments right now. I read every single one. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do that now. Because next week, we are covering the 5 early warning signs that your kidneys are already in trouble, that most people completely miss. You do not want to miss that one. I will see you there. Take care of yourself.